I'm happy that this video found you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a Go Prudence Ledava, and today we are doing a half up and half down, guys. And quick disclaimer, I'm not gonna narrate the whole video, but I will touch on aspects where I feel like they are a bit complex. So yeah, guys, just enjoy the video, stay lovely, and don't forget to click the like button if you had a great time like I am now. Mwah! Stay lovely, guys. So guys, I'm about to show you what I did, and it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna put text on top of it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it. I'll only see it when I edit this video. So once you're done, you just join everything. So you're just gonna join them, and then you thread them, and then once you thread them, and then you're gonna tuck them in, and then you'll be done. Not for the day, but you'll be done with this step. So once you're done tucking everything in, the following step, guys, I forgot to press record, and yeah, I only realized after I've done my track I kept that I did not press the record button. So I am sorry, guys. So now the next step, after the step that I did not record, you're going to lay your tracks. When laying your tracks, make sure that you lay them in a C direction. What do I mean C direction? I mean, make sure it's a curve. No, what I'm trying to say is that do not lay your tracks from neck to neck, rather ear to ear, from ear to ear. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, because like when you lay your tracks from this ear to another, it's gonna give you like a C shape, right? Yeah, and then once you're done, you can remove your wig cap, and then you start cutting off the excess material, your toilet papers, your serviettes, your napkins, whatever you call it. The next step, we're going to do our base for our ponytail. And guys, I did notice the peculiar spot right there, because I know if I can see it, you can also see it. But don't worry, eventually we'll cover it up, right? It won't be that visible. It won't be visible at all. And believe me when I say I only noticed that there was a peculiar spot when recording the video, but like overall the final product I did not see. I did not notice that there was a peculiar spot. But trust the process and keep going, ne? Just trust the process and keep going. Like, I never disappoint. Well, I don't know if you feel like I've disappointed you. Please, let's chat. Let's talk about it in the comment section, and I'll apologize. I'm a very nice girl. So yeah, keep in mind that I'm not using any mirror, and I've never used any mirror on my videos, so I'm solely relying on my intuition and my camera. That's it. And you. That's it. Then you'll thank me later, ne? So yeah, guys, I'll just leave you to enjoy the video, and then I'll come back when I need to explain what's going on if I feel like this is a bit complex. But if you do not understand, please do not hesitate to comment down below. I will honestly specially create a video for you. I'll do this style again over and over just for you. So yeah, all you have to do now is just to lay your hair until you reach your desired hairstyle, and that's it. Like, really, that's it, guys. Do not allow that short hair to make you look like a boy. If you got this video, you've got everything. I'm giving you golden, guys. This is like golden. So subscribe so that you stay lovely, man. You look lovely, ne? So yeah, and guys, you're just gonna do that until you reach your desired hairstyle. I just mentioned that. So make sure that you follow with your finger, index finger, any finger of your choice. Remember, don't allow yourself to look ugly. Short hair cannot stop you from looking pretty. Okay, I'm here for you. So yeah, press that bell button so that every time I post, it notifies you and you don't miss out on looking pretty.
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me. I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me. I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now.
And for our last part, we're going to install our bangs. And make sure when you install your bangs now, you don't use too much hair, because if you use too much hair, it's not going to give growing from your scalp. So you use a visible hair, enough hair, but not too much. Ne? And then when you apply your glue, just apply it on your fingers, then tap the top part of your hair, I mean the hair that you're using, then you just press it down and then you got it. And it's giving growing from your scalp illusion. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you made it till this far, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, so that it keeps the video going, the video algorithm going, ne? So yeah, this is pretty much it guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and yeah, stay lovely guys. Bye.